people.
Okay.
Start. Hi,
Hi,
I'm Park
I'm Park
Soyeon.
Soyeon.
Today,
Today,
I
I
want to
want to
talk
talk
about the
about the
comparison of
comparison of
literature
literature
between
between
Southern
South
Song
Song
and
and
Northern
Northern
Song
Song this
dynasties.
dynasty.
To
To
begin
begin
with,
with,
Southern
Southern
Song and
Song and
Northern
Northern
Song
Song
are
are
in the
in the
same
same
dynasty,
dynasty,
actually,
actually,
but
but
occurred
of
in two
two
periods.
periods.
While
While
Northern
North
Song
Song
literature
literature
focused on
focuses
reason,
on
deep
reason, deep
thinking,
thinking,
and
and
social
social
responsibility,
responsibility,
Southern
Southern
Song
Song
literature pays
literature
more
paid more
attention to
action
feelings,
to feeling,
personal
personal
experiences,
experience,
and
and
historical pain.
historical pain.
Together, they
Together, they
showed
show the
the rich
rich
beauty
beauty
and
and
deep
deep
history of
history of
Song
Song
dynasty
dynasty
literature.
literature.
Song
Song
dynasty's
dynasty's
literature is
literature
important
is
in
important
China's
in China
literary.
literature.
Northern
Northern
Song and
song
Southern
and
Song
Southern song
literatures
literatures
each
it
shows a
showed
different
a different
important side
important
of the
side of
Song
the Song
dynasty.
dynasty.
I
I
chose
choose
this
this
topic because
because
I'm
I'm
interested
interested
in
in
how
how
literature
literature
reflects
reflects
social
social
change.
change.
I
I
believe
believe
literature is a
literature is a
very
very
sensitive and
sensitive and
significant thing.
semantic thing.
It can
It can
easily
easily
influence the
influence
ideas,
idea,
culture,
culture,
and politics
and
of the
politics of the
time.
time.
This
Topic
topic
that
helps me
help
now
me
to
now
written
write
literary in
literally in
different time
different time
periods.
periods.
Other than
Other than
that,
that,
I'm
and
curious also,
also
why
why
did
did
writers from the same
from the same
dynasty create such different kinds
different
of
kinds of
literature?
literature?
In my
In my
Chinese
Chinese
history and
history
modern
and modern
Chinese
Chinese
literature
literature
classes,
courses,
I've
I've
already
already
studied the
studied the
background of the
background of the
Northern and
North and
Southern Song
Southern
dynasties, and now some
and some
important words
important
from that
words from
era.
that era.
Now,
Now
I
I
want to
want
bring
to
them
bring them
together and
together and
explore the
explore the
connections between
content
them.
between them.
One helpful
One helpful
paper
paper
is
is
the
the
relationship between
relationship between
literature and
literature and
society by
society
Duhan.
by Duhan.
It explains
Explain
that
that
literature and
literature and
society
society
influence each
influence
other.
each other.
This helped me
This helped me
think
think
about
about
how the
how the
role
role
of
of
literature
literature
changed
changed
during the
during
Song
the Song
Dynasty.
Dynasty.
It's from
It is from
SCI,
SCI,
a trusted
trusted
academic source.
academic source.
I
I
also
also
read
read
Song
Song
Dynasty
Dynasty
Literature and
literature and
Culture
culture
by
by
Ronald
Roland
Agan too.
and too.
He
He
explores
explored
poetry, prose, and
prose and
calligraphy from the
poetry
Song
from the Song
period
period
and
and
shows
shows
how
how
writers
writers
broke
broke
tradition and
tradition and
created
bring
new
new style.
styles. It's
It's
written by
written
a
by a
respected
respect
scholar from Duke
from Duke
University
University
and is
and
a
it a
reliable and
reliable a
useful
usual
source. This topic showed me that literature is
literature is
not
not
only about
only
words
about
or
word or
style,
style,
but
but
also it
also
connects
is
deeply with the
deeply with
history.
the history.
Even in the
Even the
same
same
dynasty,
dynasty
literature can
literature
both
can both
break
break
and
and
continue traditions.
punishment.
Thanks
Thanks
for
for
listening.
listening. Like it's so quick.
Yes, I would like you to listen to this one. I'm
Yes.
going to stop the recording, okay?
Okay.
All right. I will send that to you. And what you need to do is listen to the recording if you have time
Yes.
today and mimic, okay? And you are
Yes.
going to practice the colored green color. This is actually
Yeah.
like green color, right?
Yeah.
Words before we say goodbye. You and I are going to practice, okay? I'm gonna send
Okay.
this edited version and the video so that you can watch on time. I sent you the timer site, right?
Yes.
Okay, so you have the timer here. I sent that to you, and do the same thing that you're going
Okay.
to, or you can just open it and yeah, time yourself, okay, and listen to yourself.
Okay.
Right. So I would like you to say this before we say goodbye. Comparison.
Okay.
One more time. Comparison.
Comparison.
Occurred.
Occurred.
Thinking.
Thinking.
Paid.
Hate.
Attention.
Attention.
Experiences.
Experiences.
Dynasty.
Dynasty.
Chose.
Chose.
Reflects.
Reflects.
Sensitive.
Sensitive.
Significant.
Significant.
Influence.
Influence.
Politics.
Politics.
Curious.
Curious.
Era.
era,
influence,
influence,
academic,
academic,
source,
source,
read,
read,
poetry,
poetry,
culture,
culture,
Ronald,
Ronald,
Egan,
again,
poetry,
poetry,
calligraphy,
calligraphy,
created,
created,
respected,
respected,
scholar,
scholar,
reliable,
reliable,
source.
source.
So good luck. I'm going to send this to you. Thank you so much for today. And I will send you the recording. Listen to the recording. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.
Okay, bye
End the
bye.
call. Yeah.